Claude code plus Nano Banana 2 equals $10,000. Websites, AI secret revealed. What if you could walk up to any business owner, show them a stunning website built around their exact brand, and watch them pull out their wallet before you even finish talking? And what if the whole thing took you just a few hours to build without writing a single line of code? Most people would call that impossible. But right now, in 2026, a small group of people are doing exactly that every single week, using two AI tools that most of the world has not discovered yet. The gap between those people and everyone else is growing fast. In the next few minutes, I am going to close that gap for you completely. Stay till the end, because this might be the most valuable thing you watch all year. Before we get into the tools, let us talk about why websites are still one of the best things you can sell in 2026. Every business on the planet needs one. Restaurants, coaches, gyms, real estate agents, local tradespeople, online stores, all of them need a strong presence online. And a huge number of them either have a weak website or no website at all. They know it is a problem. They just do not have the time, the money, or the knowledge to solve it properly. That is exactly where your opportunity lives. When you can show a business owner a beautiful, fully working website built specifically around their brand before they even asked for one, the conversation is already won. You are not pitching a service. You are handing them a solution they have needed for months. And because AI has completely changed how long it takes to build something like this, your time investment is small, and your profit on every project is very large. There are two tools sitting at the heart of this opportunity, and together they do something that was simply not possible even 12 months ago. The first is Claude Code. This is an AI tool that builds websites through plain, everyday conversation. You do not type code. You type normal instructions, and Claude Code handles everything technical on your behalf. You want a homepage that grabs attention? Tell it. You want to change the colors, move a section around, or add a contact page? Just say so. Every instruction gets carried out immediately. Think of it as having a brilliant web developer sitting beside you who works instantly, never gets tired, and never sends you an invoice. The second tool is Nano Banana 2. This is one of the most powerful AI image creation tools available right now. It produces stunning, high-quality visuals that look nothing like the flat, generic images most people associate with AI. We are talking rich, detailed, professional images that feel like they were designed specifically for the business you are building for. When sharp visuals meet a well-built website, the final result looks like something a top creative agency spent weeks producing. Except you did it in an afternoon. The very first thing you do before touching any tool is understand the brand you are building for. This means finding out what colors they use, what their logo looks like, what feeling their business gives off, and what their customers actually care about. Every good website starts with this foundation. Without it, you are just guessing. And guessing produces something generic that nobody wants to pay for. There are free tools available online that can scan any existing website and pull all of this information out for you automatically. Colors, fonts, logos, tone of voice, everything gets surfaced in seconds. You are not doing research by hand. You are letting technology hand you everything you need to make the final website feel completely personal to that specific business. That personal feeling is what makes clients feel seen. And feeling seen is what makes them say yes. Once you have the brand details in hand, the next step is creating the visuals that will make the website impossible to ignore. This is where Nano Banana 2 earns its place in the process. You give it a clear description of what you want to see, something directly connected to what the business does and how they want their customers to feel, and it generates a set of high-quality options for you to choose from. You pick the strongest one, refine it slightly, and then create a second version showing a different moment of the same scene. These two images become the opening and closing frames of a smooth animation that plays as visitors scroll down the page. That animation is the difference between a website people forget and a website people talk about. It creates an instant impression of quality, care, and professionalism that most business websites never come close to. And you built it without a design background, without expensive software, and without spending days on it. Now you bring it all together. You hand Claude Code your brand information, your visuals, and a clear description of what you want the website to look like and how you want it to feel. Claude Code reads everything, understands the direction, and starts building straight away. What comes back is a fully working, mobile-friendly website that uses the right colors, the right fonts, includes the animation, and covers all the sections a business website needs to convert visitors into customers. A headline that grabs attention the moment someone lands on the page. Clear information about what the business offers. Simple ways for people to get in touch or take the next step. All of it connected and worked together perfectly. From there, you just keep refining through conversation. Make this section bigger. Move that button. Change the headline. Add a testimonials section. Every change happens immediately without any technical knowledge required from you. You stay completely in control of the creative direction, while Claude Code handles every technical detail behind the scenes. A website sitting on your computer is not a product. A website live on the internet with its own address is a product someone will pay for. Getting it published is easier than most people expect. Free platforms exist that connect directly to your website files and put them live online within minutes. Claude Code handles the connection through simple instructions you give it in plain language. Once everything is linked up, your website has a real web address that loads on every phone, tablet, and computer. You can add a proper domain name for a small fee to make it look completely professional. The moment you send a business owner a working link to a website that looks that good and carries their branding throughout, that is the moment the deal closes. They are not imagining a finished product, they are holding it in their hands. That experience is worth every dollar you charge for it. A single page is a great starting point, but a complete multi-page website is what commands a serious price and delivers serious value. With Claude Code, you can add every page the business needs about services, team, testimonials, contact, and all of them match the same design, so the whole website feels consistent and complete. Beyond the design, you can also make the website show up higher when people search on Google. This involves using the right words throughout each page, making sure everything loads quickly, and setting up the behind-the-scenes details that search engines pay close attention to. A website that looks great and also gets discovered by new customers searching online is worth significantly more than one that just looks nice. It is a complete product. It is something a business owner can immediately see the value of, and AI makes delivering all of it completely achievable for anyone. Now, let us talk about the part that actually matters, turning this into consistent income. The path is simple. Pick one type of local business you want to focus on. Businesses that provide services directly to people work particularly well because they are everywhere. They need websites badly, and they understand that a better online presence means more customers and more money. Find several of them that have weak websites or none at all. Build one of them a website without asking for permission first. Use everything covered in this video: brand research, Nano Banana 2 visuals, Claude Code, full mobile optimization, multiple pages, Google visibility. Then reach out to the business. Tell them you built something for them and send them the link. When a business owner sees something that is built specifically around their brand, they are not thinking about price. They are thinking about how quickly they can get it live. Charging anywhere between $2,000 and $10,000 is completely fair for what you are delivering. You are saving them months of work, thousands in agency fees, and handing them something that will bring in new customers straight away. That is a genuine return on investment, and business owners understand returns on investment. The tools are here. The opportunity is real. The only thing standing between where you are now and your first website sale is taking the first step. Pick a business type today. Find one that needs help. Build something this week. Send them the link. That single action has the potential to change your financial situation faster than almost anything else you could do right now. You do not need to be a developer. You do not need design experience. You do not need a big budget or a fancy office. You need Claude Code, Nano Banana 2, a clear process, and the confidence to go show businesses what you can build for them. And if you are serious about building real income with AI in 2026, the next video is something you absolutely need to watch. We are talking about AI agents and why they are being called the next gold rush by the people already making serious money from them. I'm going to show you exactly how to build them and sell them, even if you are starting from zero. Click the next video right now, and I will see you on the other side.